In this video we'll go through using a calculator. If you're revising, you can have a go at example 1 before I start. So when using a calculator, you can complete calculations in steps or enter the full expression into the calculator in one go. For the following example, it makes sense to enter the calculation all in one go, but make sure your screen display looks identical to the calculation. So number 1, we're going to use our calculator to calculate the following. So get your calculator, and then first thing I'm going to do is type in the 16.34, and then I'm going to add, and then I need to have a fraction. On the top of my fraction, it starts with an open bracket, and then 3.4 plus 2.677, close the bracket, and then raise it to the power of 4. So the x with the square on it, we'll raise it to a power, and then you choose the power of 4. To get to the bottom of the fraction, we need to just toggle down and press the down button. That gets to the bottom of the fraction, and we get 19.67, and we subtract 37.22. Then we hit equals. So we should get the answer. That would be minus 61.37 to 2 decimal places.